In the class, there was a child who was sitting down on the desk. A few moments later, a children came up to him and asked about the child's condition.
Why do you use this properly?
My son is there.
What assessment that you understand?
I don't understand the systematic of signal report. Can you get me?
Yes, of course, you can help me.
But the biggest problem is my laptop is working properly. Can I work on your laptop?
Of course I can. I gonna be happy to give you.
Then they start working on the assessment that Rafli had understood by Rafli. His two friends were happy to help him. Finally, a few moments later, Rafli's work was finished.
And I really realize that the achievement is finished.
I'm so very happy to help you.
Next time, if you don't understand something, you can ask me so that can help you understand. You can ask me so we can discuss in together.
Thank you very much to both of you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Ladies, guys, let's go home.
Let's go.
Okay.